Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your Instagram profile picture. Alright, so to see your Instagram profile picture, as you guys can see on my screen, there is a little white background with a little black on the down and a black on the top. So this is my Instagram profile picture. So let's say I want to change it, and it's pretty simple to change your Instagram profile picture. Just make sure your internet connection is fast, because sometimes a lot of people are going to be facing problems saying, oh no, I tried the method you said but it didn't work. It's because your internet connection is slow. So make sure to check your internet connection and make sure it's fast enough to upload a picture. And the other thing is, make sure your Instagram is up to date, because sometimes if your Instagram is not up to date as well, it's going to cause the problem. So make sure it's up to date and make sure your internet is fast, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related with Instagram just like this. Alright, now with that out of the way, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of your screen, your current profile, and then click on where it says edit profile over here. Once you click on it, it's going to show you change profile photo. So you can click on change profile photo and click on where it says take photo or import from Facebook, or choose from library. So what take photo means is, if you click on take photo, your camera is going to open up and you can click a photo and it will change it. And if you click on import from Facebook, then whichever profile picture you have on your Facebook account, it's going to import it from there. And if you click on choose from library, you can choose any photo from your gallery. Alright, so I'm going to click on change profile and click on choose from library, and I'm going to choose a random one over here. So I'm going to choose this photo over here. So I'm going to click on done. Once I click on done, after I click on done again at the top, and it's going to load for some time and your profile picture should change. And if your profile picture doesn't change even after you doing this, and try to reload your Instagram 1 or 2 times, it's due to a bug it causes this problem. So try to reload your Instagram just like this, and your new profile picture should be shown up over here. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can change your Instagram profile picture. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.